Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your center console, your radio console from a 2010 Infinity G37. For those of you that are just tuning in, thank you. Consider subscribing. Remember to hit the like button. For those of you who are returning residents, I like to call you my residents. Go ahead and if you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Tools you will need: trim peeler, screwdriver, Phillips head, maybe a flathead. Go ahead and grab your trim peeler. First thing we're going to remove here is this piece right here at the bottom. Get into the side, and if you can tell, I've already removed mine before because I had it wrapped in carbon fiber. So just get into the side here, and it just comes out. And if you realize, let's put this down, there's an up arrow right there. See that up arrow? So it's already telling you how to put it back in, pointing up. After you remove that trim, you're gonna have one screw right there, and you're gonna have another one right there. So you grab your screwdriver and just undo those screws. Now that the screws are out, this piece will just pop out like that, and there are some cables at the back here. I've already started removing it, so this piece would be in here. You just take it out, this piece, slide this piece out, and here's one more here. You just squeeze in this top here. It's kind of difficult to do it with one hand, so I will try to use a screwdriver. Alright, I can't do it with one hand, guys. Give me a sec. Alright, now that it's out, there's a little pin here that you have to push on. And then this piece is your passenger airbag sign. So we're gonna undo that screw as well. Next piece I want to work on is the display. There's a screw there and one screw there. Once you undo these two screws here, take your time and you will see that this piece will start to come out like that, and it's out. Oh, you're probably wondering, why am I taking this piece apart? I bought one of those Phoenix radios, so I'm doing a Phoenix automotive radios, Android radios. So I'm basically doing a bunch of videos of an unboxing, removing this radio, and finally doing the install. So if you want more of that type of content, remember, again, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and just check out the other videos as well. Once you take it out, this is our progress so far. My next focus is these two screws here. Once you undo those two screws, here and here, just hold this piece, and nope, it doesn't come out all the way. You undo that clip. So let me undo that clip real quick. Alright, so I'm not completely prepared, but once you take the screen out, right, I thought this piece would just fall out, but nope. There is a screw here, right there, and there's one over the other side here as well. You'll see. Once you get this piece to slide out, I'm gonna be unscrewing the sides here. There's a screw right there, and there is another one over on this side here. as I'm not troubling this piece. I believe this is the part that controls the AC, so I don't want to disconnect the cables. I'm just going to leave it intact. You're going to need one of these to undo those two screws here. Hand over here. Take a look at it again. It's a hex. So as you can see, it's completely removed. The big CD piece that was in here, there was a ton of cables behind it, or a ton of connections behind it. Here they are. I just removed them. Honestly, all you need to do is get behind there and take the cables out. They're all clips, so you want to squeeze the ends, and it's as easy as that. And thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.